On today's episode, Zero versus Annie. Welcome to number one Super Cutie Patootie. Yay!
Number one Super Cutie Patootie!
Before Zero and Annie, let's see who won last week's show. Is it Littles? Is it Bernie? Is it Littles? Is it Bernie? Is it Littles or Bernie? It's Bernie! Yay! Bernie got 135 comments. Congratulations, Bernie! That's a good puppy. Bang bang! It's voicemail time! Voicemail time!
Hey, I just wanted to say that I love your show, and I hope you guys put more.
Never watch it.
I hope you guys put more cute shows on, cute pictures on. All right, so bye.
And now for today's contestants. Our first contestant is Zero. Our second contestant is Annie. Oh, a little kitty. A little kitty. Who will be this week's number one Super Cutie Patootie? You make the call, vote down below, and tune in next week for the winner. Thanks for watching number one Super Cutie Patootie, only on Ultra Kawaii, where we make your pets the stars.